Welcome to CIA YouTube channel. My name is Kong Rachana, a teacher in CIA. Today we are going to learn about letter E and the word that start from letter E. Okay, now let's start. This is letter E. E. Okay, good. Letter E has two shapes. This is one more shape of letter E. E. But you can say uppercase E, lowercase e, uppercase E, lowercase e. Okay, everyone, can I hear from you? Great. Letter E has sound e. Okay. Again, please listen to me carefully. Okay, everyone, your turn, please. Good. Okay, now let's continue to learn about how to write letter E. This is uppercase E and small e, but you can trace. The first time I trace for you, and then you practice. Okay, let's start from uppercase E. You can start from here to down, and then here. Now you can get, now you get uppercase E. Uppercase E. Good. Let's continue to lowercase e. Start from here. Okay. Now you get lowercase e. Lowercase e. Good. Okay, now your turn. Please start from uppercase E. Okay, please tell me. Good. Start from this and to down. Good. And then, okay. Good. Now you get uppercase E. Okay, let's go. Lowercase e. Please tell me, start from where? Okay, here. Lowercase e. Lowercase e. Good. Okay. Now let's continue to the word start from letter E or the word start from sound E. The first word that I show you here, it is egg. Egg. Good. Everyone, please repeat after me. Good. Again. Great. Okay, you can read with the letter and sound like this. E, egg. E, egg. Good. Your turn. Okay, continue to the next word. This is elbow. Good. Can you repeat after me, please? Great. Okay, now you can read with the letter like this. E, elbow. Elbow. Can I hear from you, please? Okay, now continue to the last word. This is elephant. 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 Good. Please repeat after me. Again, please. Good job. Now you read elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now your turn. Great. Okay. These are the words that start from letter E. Okay. Now you can read this word. You can say with this word like this. This is an egg. This is an egg. This is an egg. Okay. Your turn. Again. Good. And how about this one? What should you say? Okay. You can say, this is an elbow. This is an elbow. This is an elbow. Okay. Can I hear from you? Again, please. Good. Okay, the last word. You can say, this is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Great. Please you repeat after me. Good. Okay. Now you can say like this. It makes it easy for you to remember. You can say E E E E E. E E E E E. E E E E E E. And this one. E E E elbow. E E E elbow elbow. And the last word you can say E E E elephant. E E E elephant. E E E elephant elephant. Good. Okay, now your turn. Please you repeat this one. Okay. Good. How about this one? Great job. The last one. Good. Okay. Now this is my lesson for you today. I hope you can practice by yourself at your home. Please try more with your family. Goodbye.